How to create a high converting lead magnet. To start this process right, you have to put yourself in the lead's shoes, the visitor that is having a problem and looking for a solution, or having a question and looking for an answer. Once you figure what are your visitors looking for or your leads looking for, then you can create a nice piece of content which will be your future lead magnet and present it or give it away to those visitors. That is the first thing to consider before setting up a list building funnel. Now let's say that you did some research and you found a topic or a subject where people are asking questions or looking for solutions to their problems. The important things to consider before coming up or creating a piece of content that you will use as a lead magnet is that this lead magnet needs to first resolve a problem or answer a question. Also, you need to make it very attractive with powerful headlines, good e-cover, etc. And then this lead magnet needs to be easy to consume. It has to be short report, for example, a video or audio, something that people can use and consume very quickly. And the last thing, this lead magnet needs to lead to a sale, because if you're doing all this, you want to build an email list and also make affiliate commissions. So here is how a very basic list building funnel works. You have a landing page where you present the lead magnet that resolves the visitor problem, and you have a thank you page where you deliver that lead magnet. And also you can see here that I put affiliate link 1, affiliate link 2, because you want to make a little bit of money right away after the registration to cover the expenses that you did to drive targeted traffic to your landing page. So you're spending a little bit of money to bring targeted traffic, and then people, when they sign up for your list and get their lead magnet, they might be interested in a more complete solution to their problem. They might click on your affiliate links and grab that high quality product. This can be done also by doing a one-time offer. Just before delivering the lead magnet, you can present a one-time offer to your subscriber. He might also purchase something that will allow you to cover the traffic generation expenses. Okay, so let's get back to the lead magnet creation. So in this case, once you have the idea, you have the topic, you have two options. So the first one, you can create the content yourself. If you have writing skills, you can write the solution for the visitor's problem, and then you can package it, like for example in a short report, in an ebook, or for example in an action list or a video. You can record a video and deliver it on the thank you page as a lead magnet. The second option is that if you don't have skills or you don't have the time to do it yourself, to create the lead magnet yourself, you can turn to the private label content. There are lots of resources out there with private label rights that you can improve, that you can add to. You can add your own content to that PLR product, and then you can rebrand it and give it away as a lead magnet. And just to remind you that like most of the private label rights products, they allow you to give away the PDF version of that product as a lead magnet. What's up, friends? Amar here, and before I continue, before I show you the tools and the resources you can use to create your lead magnet fast, let me kindly ask you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and or drop me a comment in the comment section. It will be highly appreciated. So what I personally like to give away as a lead magnet is PDF short reports and training videos to teach something. And in the following, I'm going to show you how to create both, how to create a short report and how to create a short video that delivers a lesson or a message or a teaching. So first of all, I need some content to start with, and my best tools that I use for this are PLR.me and IDPLR. These two websites here are very good. They give you private label rights to lots of product that you can use to create your lead magnets. I will leave the links to these two websites below in the description along with the first comment of this video. And both of these websites have free and paid subscriptions. So there are lots of things that you can do as a free member. Like if I click here, for example, for free products, I have free ebooks, free software, free videos, etc. But I can also upgrade and download like high quality products. And by the way, this website will give you 2 gold products for free if you just register for free. I mean, you will get 2 gold products. And this website PLR.me works with like credits. You can purchase credits. As you can see here, I have 1,300 credits. You can purchase credits, or you can refer other members to the website to earn 10 credits per referral. These two websites have a big variety of categories. You can find, like as you can see here, anxiety, depression, self-confidence, business and marketing, career and jobs, dating and relationships. If you go here to the other website also, you have lots of categories. You have ebooks, you have software, video, templates, graphics, music, with resale rights, with master resale rights, with private label rights. This is what works in this situation. Private label rights. You have the right to edit, change the product, rebrand it, and give it away to build your email list. So this website actually has lots of good products that you can use to build your email list. These, for example, are featured content bundles that you purchase, and when you purchase a bundle, you have lots of products inside of it. So all these are bundles. Let me show you one folder on my computer here, and on this folder I keep all the products that I download from the PLR.me website. And like when it says bundle, if I open, for example, make money bundle, I will find lots of products. There is an action guide, articles, how to write a compelling sales page, reports and worksheets. So if I go to reports, I have all these reports here. 14 ways to make an extra 1,000 each month in your spare time. Dipping to the well of government grants, etc. So make money from your hobby. If I open this one, not only I find the document, the document, I mean the Word document, but I will find also PowerPoint presentation. So the Word document, as you can see here, I can open it and then tweak the content, add to it, add images, and also make sure you add at least an affiliate link for a higher quality product. So I already have here my product. It's all done for you. All you have to do is tweak it, add to it, or just change it a little bit to give it your personal taste. And then of course you can remake the e-cover, and then you can add a link or two inside of the lead magnet, and then you can give it away. If I go back, I will find also that there is PowerPoints. So if I open this PowerPoint presentation, you will see that you can turn this PowerPoint presentation into a video, I mean, where you explain what you're doing here. Each slide, you give an explanation to each slide while you are capturing your screen and your audio. So it will give you a video that you can give away to teach something. You have also web cover graphics. You have this graphic here that you can use on your landing page or on your website. You don't need actually anything. Everything is done for you. All you have to do is rebrand the product and then give it away as a lead magnet. I like especially the idea of turning PowerPoint presentations to a video. So as you can see here, this is very easy to implement. What you need to do is find a free screen capture software. There are lots of them online, and then install it and then use it. When you turn it on, it will capture your screen. You need to just show the presentation like this and start explaining what you're reading and giving more in-depth details about the subject. So you can right click anytime and then stop the viewing of the slides, and then you can combine also the video training with PDF reports or audio. You can make a mix of that and offer a good quality lead magnet. So this was it, guys, for this subject of lead magnet creation to optimize the conversion rate. And if you're interested also in how to build list building funnels or how to build the web pages for free, please check the other videos on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, drop a comment, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.